Have you ever wondered why successful people became successful in the first place? How they think. They actually think differently from the unsuccessful people. And I'm going to show you the difference right now. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rosalee and another video. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome and consider subscribing because I'm gonna be releasing videos every week on how to become successful online and offline. And in this video, like I said, I'm going to share with you the difference on how successful people and unsuccessful people think on different situations. Number one situation, no money and no time. Unsuccessful people, when they say that they have no money and no time, they just stop. Okay, they just make it as a reason as them not doing anything. Alright, because this is what they're going to say: but I don't have any money and I don't have the time. They make all the excuses in the world in order for them to not take action. That is unsuccessful people. And general people, it's sad, but general people, the majority of the humanity is unsuccessful because that is exactly how they think. But successful people think differently. Okay, this is what they're gonna do if they face a situation that they don't have the time and no money. Okay, so this is how they think. They think on the ways to have the time and to have the money. How? Okay, how they ask themselves, how can I have the money? What do I need to do now to have the money? What do I need to do now to have the time? Okay, so that is actually how successful people think. They train their mind to think of the ways, okay, on how to get the money and the time. Alright, so if they think the how, then of course their body will do the action on how to get the money, how to get the time. That is how successful people think. Number two situation is I don't know where to start. Okay, so unsuccessful people will make that as a reason again to not go and take action. Alright, I don't know where to start. You know, I just don't know. I have no idea. I'm just gonna sit in here, watch TV, watch Netflix, and watch all these videos on Facebook and spend all my time on YouTube because I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start to become successful. That's how unsuccessful people think. But here's what successful people do if they face the situation of I don't know where to start. What they do is to ask themselves, what do I need to do? Okay? Do I need to read books? What are the books I need to read? What are the things I need to listen? What are the trainings I need to attend? Okay, what are the things I need to put in my planner to do the next time to get started and to take action to get where I'm going to, okay, to go to the goals I'm at. Alright, so what do I need to do? What are the things I need to do now? What are the things I need to learn to get to that point, to get to my goals? Okay, so that is the difference of how unsuccessful and successful people think if they face that situation. Okay, the third and last situation is I'm not born like them. Okay, so unsuccessful people think that I am not born like them. I'm not like them. Okay, I'm not born famous. Okay, I'm not like them who are energetic, who have the guts to face the people, the guts to face the world, to be out there and talk to a lot of people and make more sales. I'm not like them. And again, unsuccessful people think that way. And let that be the reason, again, of not taking action. I'm not like them, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so that's how unsuccessful people. But successful people, this is how they do it. Okay, I'm not like them, so I'm going to go out of my comfort zone, okay, and grow. Because actually, if you go out to your comfort zone, if you go outside your comfort zone, that is where you grow. Okay, it takes a lot of effort to be going out to your comfort zone. Okay, but once you went out that comfort zone, that's how you can achieve the full potential to grow as a person and learn more, okay, to become successful. So what I advise is to go out and to go out of your comfort zone, learn and discover what other things that you can do. Because if you think like the unsuccessful people, where they make it as a reason of not going and take action, then you will also end up unsuccessful like the rest of the world. Okay, so if you want to become successful, I want you to think of how successful people think, because they really think differently. That's why they are successful. Alright guys, I hope you like this video, and I also wish that you learned something from this video and help you become a successful person one day. Alright, so again, thank you so much for watching, and for those of you who hasn't subscribed yet, subscribe now, and that will also help me and this video. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. Alright, so again, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! This successful people.